You know how I get on the motherfucking Raze Great Adventure? First.
Funny things you do.
First.
Funny things you
They
do.
like, oh shit, let him go. Everybody's cheering for me.
Funny
Let
things you do.
him go.
Y'all rap is funny. Thinking jewelry and stacks of money make you dope, that's a joke. I should slap you dummies. Hungry, tummy touching, must win, tough skin. Punching like Eddie Futch in my corner, but I won't punch in munchkins. I'm a fraud giant, stomp out a Norse tyrant like your boss Biden. You somewhere making the cross hiding, praying, sweating. Raze is a weapon. Matter of fact, the Ratchet, to be specific. Clifford, big dog, different, hit hard. Then my stance shifted. Your man's gifted. The antithesis of whackness spans infinite. This is just an increment, a fragment of a figment of my imagination. They all dig it on the low like a midget, spin the block like a fidget. They better have my digits, or my heart gets frigid like a blizzard.
Funny things you do. Funny
Fuck that, I was a special ed, I'm one of the special kids too.
things
Fuck, man. Give a fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna do a lot of shit.
Skip the sarcasm, or I'm a star spasm, dark plasm. Chum, what's the sarcasm? Hope you said your goodbyes. We not the good guys, we the villains. You reach your ceiling, the game needs healing. I'm here to bring back the feeling. It went numb when bums started rapping. Instead of staying fans, don't play with the hands, keep it respectful. Before I check you, lower deck you. Didn't know how I get it, bro? Balance mind, Dr. Delbert Blair, Phil Valentine with a little Allen eye. Cause I'll be styling fly with that white bitch singing Sweet Child of Mine. Get my Duchess from Aki, he from Palestine. Talent's fine, but you gotta be motivated. I stay fully loaded for the haters. That's why I made this. Greatest from my neck of the woods. Respecting the hood, protecting the goods. Still rep cause I could, nigga.
Cause we used to best those kids, you bitch ass niggas. No funny shit. And after that was the crack babies. Because that's what shit really happened. You want me to break it down for you? Because I am the living proof. Trust me.
Trust that, nigga. Lower that. Dawn to raw.
It's that Dawn to raw shit, nigga.
Yeah.
You just gotta understand the real truth. Yeah, no funny shit. Oh, niggas is out here up and down. Chill, cause you don't know. The man who cares is retarded, bro. You better check them niggas, you lady niggas. This shit is half lead. Niggas is living, right, with an O positive and half lead. How? Explain this to me.
Funny things you do. Funny things you do. Funny things you do.